All right, so here we are at our Long Beach property. This is a duplex property. This first unit is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The second unit is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. And there is a quote unquote extra unit, bonus unit that we'll take a look at as well that could be used as a studio. So as you walk in here, we automatically have the living room, and we'll take a look back out so you can see what the porch and the patio, the front yard of your house is gonna look like. And bringing us back in here. So as soon as you walk in, you go to the right-hand side. You're gonna notice bedroom number 1 here. It's got all new windows, all new paint, all new floors. Everything is brand new here. The door style is pocket doors. And as we walk a little farther, take another right-hand turn here. This is going to be the shower, the bathroom, and then next to that is bedroom number 2. This one has the standard closing door here. Now this property is currently on the market for $979,000. Bedroom number 2's closet here. This property was just fully remodeled. Everything has been painted, cleaned, new floors as we discussed. Brings us around the corner here to the kitchen and the dining room. And then it leads us to the back of the house, which is the 3rd bedroom. And this is going to be lighting in the bathroom. So this is the master suite here. Got your vanity. All right, leading us to the outside. So there's 2 doors that lead to the outside, obviously from the kitchen, the main room here, and this one from the master bedroom out to the backyard. Got a nice fruit tree here. And that leads us to unit number 2. And let's go ahead and take a look in here. So this is the big room, the main room here. And this is going to be considered the bonus room. The studio inside of the unit or property. This one is not one of the 2 units as we were talking about. So in here, you could set this up as a little kitchen area. And it does have its own bathroom as well. All right, so that's bonus unit, studio unit, whatever you would like to use that for. And then that will take us over here to the back unit, which will end up being our 2-bedroom, 1-bath unit. And let's enter unit number 2, 2-bedroom, 1-bath. So as you walk in, as you can see here, you have your living room. And again, the unit is accessible here with that gate. You do not have to come through the main house. And as you walk into the property here, you'll walk this way to the left to come to your kitchen. And we do have a pass-through door here as well. Shows us here our bathroom. Over here is going to be bedroom number 1. Over here will be bedroom number 2. Got your storage closets here. Got your water heater here. And you got your outdoor access right here. So this does have its own carport. So as you saw in the main, you have the entrance, the multiple car parking plus the 2-car garage. Here we also have access from the alleyway. Here would be the alleyway access. And then that gives you access to the carport. All right, so here we are in the neighborhood. We are on Dawson and 14th Street. Just give you a little idea of what the neighborhood looks like. You can see that this house right here looks like it just got sold because it's being tinted, which is good. And then as we walk down, we are 1, 2, 3 houses from the corner. You can see your house right here. Here's an idea of the neighborhood. All right. And then it does have this nice little wood gate for the entrance. And then it has the parking entrance here. You have the full driveway for parking, lots and lots of parking here. And then we also have the 2-car garage at the back. And then it brings us to the entrance to the other units as well. But this gives you an outside view what the property looks like. Hey, welcome to Living in Laguna Beach. My name is Ryan Huggins and I'm a Southern California real estate agent. On this channel, we cover everything there is to know about living and playing in Southern California. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you smash that subscribe button.